So this is the third video of our uploading schedule. This usually won't happen, so don't expect these videos like this often. But this is just a little special thing because me and Pork here have just like started doing a little thing together. And so we're going to be playing Build-A-Boat, and we're going to be trying to get to the end, and we're going to be trying to get 100 pieces of gold. Now, we might not get it this time, but we definitely will eventually get it. So now, listen to our video. First, we're gonna make a name. What should I name it, guys? Polka dots. Okay. No, that's poolka. Popka. Oh no, that's wrong. Polka dot. I think that's appropriate. Okay, thank you. Oh. Well, that's helpful. Friends allowed, yes. A private server link will be... Huh? I can't make a private server link? I can't make a private server link? Huh. It's weird. That's okay, guys. You guys might not be able to join the server, but... if I can get it figured out, I will put it in the description of this video. Oh, looks like it's not working. Okay, so when Pork gets back, we will start the video. So, Pork, are you back? Okay, Pork, I just made a private server, and I just got the viewers to listen to the video. Oh, you guys might be wondering why I have disliked this game.
Alright, today
I disliked this game because I was just mad at it for this point. Pork, what were you saying?
We're gonna make sure, like, we get you guys
So,
to the end.
so viewers, the main objective of this video is to get 100 blocks of gold. Pork has a little bit more than me. I've been playing a little longer than him. I have some more stuff than him, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. We're both good at the game. We both are experienced. So
What is the strongest block in the game?
I'm gonna go ahead and join your team, Pork. And okay, Pork, go ahead and tell the viewers how much gold you have.
I have 64.
I have 51. So, I'm gonna turn up my graphics real quick.
So, I think we're gonna start off pretty easy with our boat. Let's just get strong materials in a square.
Wait, hold on, Pork, because I have a little bit of Robux. I'm gonna buy a little bit of wood and stuff. Well, not wood.
I used to have Robux.
I'm gonna buy some other materials. Pork, you can focus on building the boat right now, and I'll focus on getting some materials. I could get double if I do this glitch.
Scam Roblox. I mean, what?
14,000.
Can we get paid in the star program? Is that possible?
Yeah, we could if we got 100,000 subscribers. And viewers, if you want to help us out and maybe support us, you could go ahead and smash that like button and watch this whole video and maybe subscribe. I don't know. If you want to, it's your choice.
We'll make good content, but if we don't, you can unsubscribe. We don't really care.
Okay, viewers, I'm gonna do my calculations on my Robux. If I spend 1,050 Robux, I will get 7 that times 2, and I will get 15,400. And then divided by 425, that will give me 36 of these, and that's 50. So times 50. So I'll get 1,000 of these. Whoa, that's a lot, guys.
So we're trying to get 100 gold blocks each.
Yeah. Pork chop. Should I try to get a lot of this material? Because I can.
The end of Batmobile.
Well, hold on. T. Good.
The invisible Batmobile, or the invisible mobile from SpongeBob.
Wait, hold up. My thing is breaking. Oh, he fixed the glitch.
Get in the invisible back.
Wait, hold on. Oh, he fixed the glitch. Oh no. Wait, hold on. And 4 and gift. Like, can I really just? Oh, okay. Pork chop. Do you want some? Wait, I'm gonna redo my calculations. 7700. Divided by. Oh wait, the wrong thing. So we'll each get. Something like that. So 7700, and then we will get divided by 425. Then we'll get 18 times 50. So we'll each get 905 of that. Now, I'm not sure if I want to give some to Pork over here, but I'll be a little generous and give him some. He can spend whatever he wants on this on. But I'm going to buy you a little quick gift here, Pork, because I'm a nice person. And if you viewers want to enter a giveaway, just comment on the video saying your Roblox username and tell me that you have subscribed and liked on the video. Okay, gonna go ahead and buy. Boop. I just bought it.
7,700. You kidding me? She got me more. Not joking.
Porter, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Pork Chop.
Bop.
Bop. Pork bop. Pork chop. Pork in the bop and the pork a chop. Oh, geez. I gotta spam click this real quick. Hold on, guys. We're gonna go through a little time lapse of this. Till I get you. Now we're running high. Fast, fast, fast. Gotta run like fast tonight if I run. Hold on, Pork Chop. I'm buying this. Stop. It's not nice. It's not nice to rush people like that.
Bro, my gold is still loading. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Wait, if I buy the 750 gold, how did Rosie join?
What, Pork Chop?
How did Rosie join?
What? Oh, because I have her on my friends list.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. I mean, I'm not really gonna kick her, but I'm just not gonna let her onto the team. I'm not gonna. Oh, I ran out of gold. Huh. Oh, I have 1,000 of these blocks. That's cool. Strongest block in the game besides gold.
I think it's now.
Okay, hold up.
You can legit fit it anywhere.
Really?
Yeah, I really don't care.
Okay.
Among Us in Room. She's trying to come over to hurry.
I want to put here.
Be careful. Oh no, she's coming!
Go, go, go!
Oh? Game? Among Us in Room. What? Is there an explanation why we're here right now? Nice job.
If you love me, let me go.
I was actually confused for how's she getting?
Okay.
Oh, she left.
So, today. So today. Let's see here.
Wait a second. Stop dragging me.
If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. Pork Chop, I have an idea, and I'm gonna make this idea. If you love me, let me go.
Among Us?
Among Us Gaming, Among Us Gaming, Among Us Gaming, Among Us Gaming. So today, Pork Chop, go to another team. I'm doing this.
Pyramid. I made a pyramid.
Nice. That's lovely. That's lovely. I can't even believe you did that. That's so lovely, Pork Chop. Oh wait, I just forgot. You can't glitch it if you do that. How are we gonna do this, boys? Boys, how are we gonna do this, boys? On anchor, boop. If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. Guys, if you want to see a talent that Pork knows I can do, and I've showed him I can do it before, you go ahead and smash that like button and get us to 100,000 likes. Wee. If you love me, let me go. Stop. Stop that set. Zoo-da-doo-da-doo, zoo, zoo-da-doo. Stop that, zoo-ba-doo. That's not nice, zoo-ba-doo. In case you didn't know, my real name is Zubadoo. Stop that, Zubadoo. That's not nice, Zubadoo. Zubadoo, Zubadoo-ba, Zubadoo-ba, Zubadoo-ba. Ooba-dooba, ooba-dooba, ooba-dooba. Zubadoo-ba, ooba, ooba-dooba. Vroom, vroom, vroom. If you let me poop, yeah.
Hello?
A lot of poop at the lot, turn poop and sweat. If you guys want to see really good music videos and where I learned to sing, put a lot of poop at the lot, turn poop and sweat, put some poop at the lot. Watch Blue Blob. He has like really good parodies. Like, go watch them. They're just like good. And like, if your parents don't let you watch rap songs or something, go watch him. He's good. I mean, I'll leave a link of him in the description. But please. Oh shoot, this is not gonna work. I just figured that out. Oh no, this is not gonna work. Oh wait, I got it to work. Because this thing died out. Yay! Oh, okay. That's not going to work. That's definitely not going to work. Ooh, a new stage. Pork Chop, a new stage. Pork Chop, a new stage. Paletta. Yeah, there's a new stage. It's like alligators.
That's been in the game for so long.
No, it really hasn't. Oh, well, looks like I didn't make it.
You want me to pick you up in my private jet?
No, I don't like your private jet.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see about that.
Okay. You want to go, Bo? Come on, Bo.
You want to go, Bo? What? Was that you?
Oh, no. Pick me up. No. Boo-hoo. Ooh. Hey, Pork Chop, do you want to try to fight the dragon again?
I kind of got rid of that piece there.
No.
I thought we were never going again.
Look, I always kept it.
Oh, wow.
I will never get rid of that. Ever.
Is this like a memory or something?
Right. What? I don't know what is this? Oh, I know what boat this is. It do nothing though.
Do you want to try to create?
Pork Chop.
Yeah.
Under the sea. We like smelling pee. I probably shouldn't say that, but whatever. Doesn't matter.
Wait,
Poop!
wait, you can take the soccer bar like clicking E.
Yeah, I know. I've always knew that.
I thought that was new.
No, it's not. Ooh. Ooba booba. Yeah, you're not nice, so that's what I have to do. Ooba booba. Wait, I have an idea. Stop! It's not nice. Not nice. Ooba booba.
I see something funny on my boat.
Why?
Cause
Put a lot of booba da la.
it's how I hate to say. Wait, yes.
No, pork chop. Actually, please get off, please.
No.
Okay, fine.
Goodbye.
Bye, noob. Wow, you're really going somewhere, huh? Look at black, what you want? How about side doesn't have been a fan of, you know, but go one down, just go to the ransom, you see what I'm going, see me blowing up now, see, I got 2 twin poops in the I got 2 poops in my banner, I got 2, wanna poop again, yeah.
Alright, now let's get to the real stuff. How to get to the end a simple way by getting all the gold.
Yeah, all the gold. All for the gold. Gold loves the gold. I got gold. What you want? I got gold. You don't even know what I gotta do with gold. I got gold. You don't even know what I'll do.
This is that blender machine. Blender machine, guys.
No, we're not doing that. Death run. Oh, Porter, go to a new team. I'm doing this. New team.
What am I doing? Hot?
New team.
Okay, fine.
If you hate me, let me vote, yeah.
I found my own boat.
Nice. If you love me, don't let me do that. That's not nice. What did I do to this one?
Oh, is it that?
Yeah, this is...
This thing was so...
I can't do this obby. Roblox death run. Death run. Okay, I actually can't do that. Uba Duba. Dubai. Dubai is a city.
Ciao.
Pork chop, I dare you. Try to do my obby.
It's not finished.
Yeah, but it's already that hard. But you can't do it with jumping. Reset. Here, join my team. Yes.
Wait.
Come on, pork chop, do the obby. What you scared of?
Interception. Wait.
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna be right back. Pork chop, no doing the obby.
Okay.
Okay, Pork Chop, you can start attempting the obby again now. Pork Chop.
Yes.
No, attempt the obby.
I am.
If you manage to win, I'll give you 4,000 Robux.
How do I win? By getting to a ladder?
No, there's another ladder.
What?
Come on, Pork Chop.
What?
There's another ladder. Try to find it.
Now what?
Now there's another spot you gotta go to.
I'm confused.
I'm just kidding. Do you know how to do the obby? You gotta go back.
What?
Yep. My obby's confusing.
Guess what?
What?
Eat fireworks!
Oh, then you don't get Robux. God has to you. Well, guys, I don't even think we really tried to get the gold, but we didn't. So a part 2 will be coming out tomorrow. Maybe I'll just name something else in the title. But bye, guys. Bye bye.